Let's find the zeros of each of these functions, the multiplicity of the zeros, and how the graph behaves at each of these zeros. So for v of x, since the first factor is x, the zero is 0. And since the exponent of x is 1, the multiplicity of 0 is 1, which happens to be an odd number. The next factor is x minus 4. Therefore, the 0 is 4. And since the exponent is 1, 4 is a 0 one time. So the multiplicity is 1, which is also odd. The next factor is x minus 1. Therefore, the 0 is 1. And it's a 0 two times because the exponent here is 2. So the multiplicity is 2, which is an even number. And the last factor is x plus 3. Therefore, the 0 is negative 3. And the exponent is 3. So the multiplicity is 3, which is an odd number. Now, we learned from our lesson before that if the multiplicity is odd, the graph will cross the x-axis at that 0. And if the multiplicity is even, the graph will bounce off the x-axis at that 0. So at x equals 0, the graph will cross the x-axis. And at x equals 4, the graph will cross the x-axis. And at x equals 1, the graph will bounce off of the x-axis because this is even. And at x equals negative 3, the graph will cross the x-axis.